FactSet Finance and Trade Honest Review. Watch before using. Most investors believe that success comes from luck. The surprising truth is that winning investors rely on better data. FactSet is a professional financial data and analytics platform used by banks, hedge funds, and investment firms worldwide. It provides real-time market data, company financials, portfolio analytics, and risk management tools. FactSet allows users to analyze stocks, bonds, and global markets in one system. You can compare company performance, track earnings, study balance sheets, and build financial models. Most people get this wrong, but here's why FactSet stands out. It combines data, research, and analytics into one unified platform, reducing the need to juggle multiple tools. It is best suited for serious investors, financial advisors, and institutions that rely on accurate data to make high-stakes decisions. If you want professional-grade market intelligence, FactSet is one of the most powerful platforms available. Subscribe now for more honest finance platform reviews.